If you have solar, but you don't have battery backup, then during a power outage, you won't have any power. There's two reasons why your solar will shut down if there's no power. The one is because the utilities don't want your solar backfeeding the grid while their linemen are working on lines that they expect to be dead. The other reason is because your solar produces fluctuating power. One moment it might be very sunny, it's producing a certain amount of power, then there's a cloud that comes over and then it drops, and you don't want fluctuating voltages going into your house and damaging your appliances. So there's always got to be a stable source that supplies and backs up the solar to stabilize the output, and that source is either going to be the grid or a battery. And if you don't have a battery, then when the grid goes out, your solar and your home power goes out as well. So this is the Tesla backup switch. We wire this up to the Powerwall 3, and then the utility will come out and they will put that into your meter socket, and then your meter will go on top of that. So this is going to read all of your consumption, what your usage is, and this is also an automatic transfer switch. So if there's a power outage, then this is going to isolate you from the grid, and you'll have a microgrid with your solar and your battery feeding your house, and you're able to still have electricity even when there's a power outage. If there's a power outage, you'll be able to see how many hours you have left on your battery at its current state of charge, with the current amount of solar that's going into it, and with your current home usage. And then you can also turn off loads if you need to extend that time. So for instance, if you turn off your air conditioning, or if you stop charging your car, you'll be able to see the hours on the app increase. If you go off grid, there's an option to simulate a grid outage. Then you can see how long you can last out when there's a real grid outage. So if you're wondering if solar is right for you, feel free to give August Roofing a call. We'll give you all the information you need to make the choice that's right for you and your family.